Welcome to the SKESL System. We are happy that you have chosen to improve your English with us. We look forward to helping you improve your English, and we will help you in any way that we can. This video will show you everything the SKESL System has to offer and where you should start. There are over 4,000 lessons in the SKESL System. Where you should start depends on your level and what you want to study. There are 6 main sections in the SKESL System: English Speaking, English Conversation, Basic ESL Course, ESL Listening Lessons, English Vocabulary, and English Grammar. If you want to improve your speaking, then you should check out the English Speaking or English Conversation sections. Both sections have lessons for all levels. The English Speaking section has different kinds of lessons to help you learn to speak English for daily life, work, travel, and more. The English Conversation section has hundreds of interactive lessons that let you learn and practice perfect and natural English. If you are a beginner and want to improve your overall English, including speaking, then you can go to the Basic ESL course. There are 90 full lessons that will help you learn English step by step. Do you want to develop your English listening skills? Go to the ESL Listening Lessons section. There are 6 different kinds of listening activities with lessons that range from easy to difficult. Do you need to study vocabulary or grammar? There are thousands of vocabulary lessons and hundreds of grammar lessons for all levels. In the vocabulary section, you can study full lessons on the most important English words, or study with flashcards. The grammar section can help you learn or review English grammar. There are lessons and quizzes that cover everything from basic to advanced grammar points. If you want more information about any of these sections and lessons, then check out the video instructions section. Here you will find videos with detailed explanations about each kind of lesson. But that's not all. The SKESL System has a lot more to offer. Go to the members forum to chat with other English learners and get help from professional English instructors. Study additional lessons about idioms, slang, US culture, and more. Read articles with tips for learning, studying, and speaking English. And remember, we are here to help. If you have any questions about English, please ask us in the members forum. And if you have any other questions or problems, then please contact us at support@skesl.com. Happy studying, and thanks again for choosing the SKESL System.